chick.
I got the cam. I got you.
I need the works. I need the works, bro. Everything.
The cactus in the house.
All right.
Ready for this?
I want it all. The color, the frame,
50 even tops.
whatever.
Oh boy.
Print on there.
I know. You scared me. So how does this? 8 years in the game? How long you been doing this, bro? I'm supposed to talk to him, right? This is part of the
17.
experience. I watched him on Facebook. I'm supposed to talk to him. Nigga has a whole conversation with me. And at the end of the time, he just surprises me. I ain't Rose Dawson over here. Come on.
You got him on the money.
Now all you gotta do is
It's crazy. Everybody like watching.
Smile.
I guess that's the money, right? That's the money, right? I don't know. What's going on?
Let's see
Where you
this.
from, though, bro?
let's see that smile real quick. Yeah. Nah, man, just chilling, trying to.
Where you from, though?
I'm from Allentown.
No, you're not. That's why they suggest you to.
Oh, that would make sense. You're
That
right.
makes sense, right?
Check out this guy. He's from the area. 38.
Really? So you graduated before me. You graduated before me. I look young.
01.
I'm old, nigga. I'm old. I look young, too.
Um,
I'm old. I'm 32.
You're not old.
You
If
crazy.
you're old, I'm old.
I ain't gonna lie to you. You know when you fill out applications and they tell you put like your age and you put that and you actually write it down, it just feels so more weird when you write it. Like, you know what I'm talking about?
Nah, it's okay.
I know it feels.
You'll be alright. You'll survive, bro.
Yo, talk to me, Brad. How we looking?
I trying to look real, bro.
You looking real? You ain't getting me on Candy Kid. What's up?
I got you. Hold on.
You ain't getting me on Candy Kid. What's up?
He's again.
We supposed to go viral. We supposed to go viral.
Bro, absolutely. Together, you guys record your own video. I'll record mine.
I seen that because people tag you on it and you post it. You get a lot of feedback on Facebook,
Sure,
right? I think
yeah,
it's
it's
Facebook.
insane. It's
You must get a lot on Facebook because I'm telling you, I watch it. It's like a satisfying video sometimes.
Thank you. No, I hear that.
That should trend right there. I'm telling you, bro. If you thought hashtag, you should put satisfying. Cause it's like people can watch that shit all day.
Appreciate it, man. Let's give you some space in
I
there.
need the works, man. I need the works. But have me looking crazy though, bro. I need saturation in my color. You heard? I need.
Okay. This man's talking the terminology over here.
Saturation.
Talking the jargon.
I need saturation.
Color, he even got the Superman curl for you.
You hear me? He got my thing right here.
You got a Superman
My
curl, got
guy.
you. You got the Clark.
I need the Superman Clark Kent. Need saturation. Get my shit blinging. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's been a while since he last did caricatures.
Look at you. Look at,
I did.
that's your dad. He used to draw too. He draws too. That's where you drew the inspiration from.
Mm-hmm.
I see.
No doubt.
I see. That's cool though, man. You 100% Facebook famous, man. Make sure you know
Bro, it's
that.
crazy.
I need to let you know that. You need to know
I
that.
appreciate it, man.
If you didn't know that, you know that. You get a lot of traffic. It's probably because I save a lot of art,
Yeah,
like reels and stuff like that. So
Oh,
you
yeah.
suggest shit like that.
it works.
It makes sense. You going crazy?
Please, dog.
You going crazy?
I don't know. I want to get mine. I might just get my daughter's.
Oh, he can show you a picture and you can draw that.
Sure.
Yeah, you should definitely get your daughter with the light eyes, and he gonna go crazy on that.
He's gonna snap.
What a dad! What a dad!
I got my granddaughter.
Yeah.
What a grandma. What a grandma.
Do Oh, so you got the idea from her. I see. He got the idea from you. He started off selfish.
Yeah, making it seem like it was his idea, right?
Right? He act like it was his shit.
What's your name?
Macho.
Macho?
Yes, sir.
Is that your middle name?
No. That's just for my close friends and family. I
Appreciate
want
it.
to give you that name. You feel me?
Right. I feel it.
See, I watch you all the time. You don't know me, but I know you, nigga.
Oh, word. It's crazy, right? Like,
It look crazy, right?
people like see me
I
on the
don't
street.
usually do this, but just because I see you on Facebook, I have to get my shit done.
Word.
Usually I would just walk right by. You know?
That means a lot, man. Thank you.
I'm like, nah, this dude is the truth. Get my juice curls. And my shit with the soul glow. Put soul glow on my shit, you heard? I need soul glow on my shit.
It's hilarious when that you mentioned that right now. One of my friends, he would talk about that when I would like make my hair and shit,
Yeah, I
you know,
need that. Make
have
my
them
shit
curls
shine.
all like
I need
shining
my
up.
shit shiny, bro. I want to get up off the couch.
That's
and
what it
see the
was.
fit, you heard?
The spot.
Thumbs up? Okay.
Hilarious. Oh my god.
He's the man. It's the only reason I stop. If you got 15 minutes, spend it with him. I got you, bro.
Word.
I got you, bro. I'm cute too. So they gonna flock.
Come
in
over
regardless.
just for you,
They
right?
gonna flock in regardless. I'm cute.
Nice.
You got the chains? You got the
Big
chains?
go on there. Big go on there.
You got the chains in there?
Yeah.
That's my guy, man. Yo, look who's
Mine
here.
speaks, show my dreads.
Look who's here. Yo, man, look who's here. Look who's here. Show you with the camera. Just took a photo. Remember when we was up at the top and she started flashing? She literally just took a photo of it. She's on it right now. Where's she from, bro? Find out where she's from, bro. She like from the morning call or something. She been on top of me with that camera. She been on top of me with that camera, bro.
Really?
No. I don't want to see it yet. I don't want to see it yet. I need the Shazam.
Oh no! Yeah, don't.
He did. I wouldn't let him ruin it, nigga. I want the wow factor.
A little peeky.
I need the wow factor. You heard?
You ready to see this?
I don't know. I don't know.
I try to spy you,
Thank you so much.
Yo, frame me up, man.
Thank you so much for trusting me.